Are you ready to unlock the full potential of Office 365 tools and boost your productivity like never before? Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or a professional, Office 365 has the perfect tools tailored just for you. Collaborate seamlessly with Microsoft Teams, where remote meetings and real-time collaboration become effortless. Write and edit like a pro with Microsoft Word's advanced features. Track changes, add comments, and make your documents shine. Turn data into insights with Excel's powerful analytics and visualization tools. From simple budgets to complex data sets, Excel has got you covered. Stay organized with OneNote. Capture ideas, create to-do lists, and sync across all your devices. Manage your emails and calendar efficiently with Outlook. Stay on top of your schedule and never miss an important meeting. Discover the power of Office 365 tools today and transform the way you work. Subscribe for more tips and tricks to master Office 365.